Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Sweatcoin account. So let's get. So to create a Sweatcoin account, you have to make sure that you have downloaded and installed your Sweatcoin application. So to do that, what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store, and in Play Store, in search bar, you can search for Sweatcoin. So after searching for Sweatcoin, now what you can do is just simply tap on install. And after tapping on install, you will install your Sweatcoin application. So just wait for a few seconds. So after installing your Sweatcoin application, now what you can do is just simply come back to your home screen and then open up your Sweatcoin application that you have just installed. And after opening up your Sweatcoin application, now in order to create an account, you just have to tap on sign up with Google. So if you already have an account, then what you can do is just tap on login with my account and then just simply enter your email address and password and then log into your account. But you can just tap on sign up with Google if you don't have an account. And after tapping on that, now what you can do is just tap on continue and then select an email address that you would like to use to create a Sweatcoin account. So just tap on continue as with your email address and then tap on access physical activities. So Sweatcoin is an application which gives rewards and gift according to the steps that you have walked. So what you can do is just simply tap on access physical activity and then allow that. And after allowing your physical activities, now it will count your steps. So according to the steps that you have taken, Sweatcoin will give you rewards and gifts. So every 1000 steps will generate one Sweatcoin. So you can generate following Sweatcoins that you would like and then withdraw those Sweatcoins. So that's it guys, this is how to create a Sweatcoin account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.